Okay, so for number 12, I'm going to show you how to solve it, but then I'm also going to show you how you can use the answer choices to help if you don't know how to solve it. So this right now says 5 times the square root of 2x equals 40. So to get x by itself, we would start by dividing both sides by 5. And that gives me the square root of 2x equals 8. And then to get rid of this square root sign, so the opposite of a square root is squaring a number, right? So I'm raising it to the power of 2. So then if I do that, this square root sign goes away and I'm left with 2x. And over here, 8 squared is 8 times 8, which is 64. Then I divide by 2. And then I get x equals 32. And then a little bit trickier part of this question is that instead of asking for x, they're asking for 5x. So you would just have to remember to take your answer and multiply it by 5. So 32 times 5 is 160, and so A is the correct answer choice. So that's how you solve it, kind of going through the steps. Remember I told you in the last video that you can also, like, anytime it asks for the value of x, you can plug in your answer choices. The only thing different about this problem is that in order to plug in the values of x, remember that these answers are all equal to 5x. So you would have to turn them into x by dividing them by 5. Some of them, that's really easy. So 500 divided by 5 is just going to be 100. So if I wanted to know if this was the correct answer, I would say, okay, 100 times 2 is 200. I take the square root of that and multiply it by 5, and then see if it's equal to 40. So it's a little bit kind of a messier way of doing it, but if you were stuck and you didn't have any other option, you could do it that way.